Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the StartMenuExperienceHost.exe appears to be waking up your computer regularly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'd recommend doing would be to go ahead and open up the Start menu and type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel listed right above App. So go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Set your view by up here in the upper right to large icons, and then you want to select Security and Maintenance. So go ahead and left click on that. Expand the maintenance drop down, and then where it says change maintenance settings, go ahead and left click on that. You want to uncheck where it says allow scheduled maintenance to wake up my computer at the scheduled time. Go ahead and select OK. And now that you've done that, you can also go ahead and close out of here and open up the Start menu. Select the setting gear icon on the left side. We hover over it, it says settings, so go ahead and left click on that. Select the system tile, and on the left side select power and sleep. Scroll down underneath related settings and select additional power settings. Select change plan settings next to whatever plan is selected currently, and then select change advanced power settings. So expand this sleep section, so do a little plus sign under that, and it might say underneath sleep after something that says allow hybrid sleep. So again, I don't actually have that here, but it might say allow hybrid sleep. You'd want to expand that and set both of them to disabled. So you see how it says enabled here. Just for example, you would click on the hyperlink and then select disabled. Again, there should be two items underneath allow hybrid sleep if there are any options, and that would be on battery and plugged in. Turn both of them off, and then once you're done changing that, you would select apply and OK. Restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.